If you're considering buying Skylum software, here are 7 things you need to know before taking the plunge. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because I'll share some insider tips that will help you decide if this software is truly worth your investment. First off, Skylum software offers powerful photo editing tools with an emphasis on AI technology, which is designed to save you time while producing professional-grade results. This sets it apart from many of its competitors, such as Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop, which often require a more hands-on approach. Skylum, on the other hand, is great for people who want quick, stunning results without getting bogged down by complex settings. Next, the interface is intuitive. Unlike other software, like Lightroom, which can be overwhelming for beginners, Skylum offers a more user-friendly design. The layout is clean and modern, with tools that are easily accessible and laid out logically. If you're someone who's just starting out with photo editing, this might be one of the best entry points into the world of professional editing software. The third thing you need to know is that Skylum's AI tools really do make a difference. Whether it's sky replacement, background removal, or enhancing portraits, Skylum's AI-driven features make these tasks much quicker than doing them manually in Photoshop or Lightroom. For example, with the AI Sky Enhancer, it automatically detects the sky and adjusts it without affecting the rest of the image. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to save hours of editing time. Now, one major point to consider is Skylum's subscription model. Unlike Adobe's Creative Cloud, which operates on a monthly or annual subscription, Skylum offers a one-time purchase option. This can be appealing to users who don't want to deal with recurring payments. The downside, though, is that while Adobe continually updates their software with new features, Skylum does charge for major updates. But if you're okay with paying upfront and getting everything you need without an ongoing subscription, it could be the better deal. The fifth thing to consider is the range of creative tools. Skylum includes everything you need for comprehensive photo editing, from color grading to retouching and even creative filters. While Photoshop still remains king when it comes to advanced photo manipulation, Skylum's suite of tools is more than enough for most photographers, especially if you're looking for simplicity over complexity. Next up, compatibility. Skylum software is available on both Windows and Mac, so no matter your system, you'll be able to use it. And it's optimized to run efficiently, even on mid-range machines. But one thing to note is that it does have a bit of a learning curve when you first start using it, especially if you're used to more traditional editing programs like Photoshop or Lightroom. Don't worry though. Once you get the hang of the interface and the AI tools, it becomes much easier to use. And the final point, Skylum's customer support. When compared to the likes of Adobe, Skylum is still a smaller player in the market, but they've made strides in customer service. Their online resources, like tutorials and community forums, are helpful. Plus, their response times for customer support are faster than you might expect for a company of their size. To wrap things up, Skylum software is definitely a great choice for anyone looking for an intuitive AI-powered editing solution. It might not replace Photoshop for hardcore photo manipulation, but for most photographers, especially those who value time-saving features, it offers great value. If you want to try Skylum software for yourself, click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out. Give it a try today.